And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 26. Let me talk about the color wheel. I've explained that with other software already on my channel, but I haven't talked about it in the context of Gimp. You can see by default you're gonna get this window, and on the right hand side we have RGB, red, green, blue, and then LCH or HSV. These are simply different ways to describe a color, but I want to primarily stick to what is called the color wheel. Again, it doesn't change the right hand side of this menu. You can still find the LCH, HSV, and down below HTML notation, that is the hex code. But for us, as I've said, I want to use mostly the wheel in these tutorials. It's important to check the current color, and you can see if I rotate this here, this changes the color. But watch out for the circle, because inside of the triangle there's a small circle, and as a triangle has 3 points, you can drag it to the point where this specific color is, or you can drag it to the other corners, and there's always white and black. So one side is always black, one side always white, and the third, this is where the stripe is on this bigger color wheel, and this is then the specific hue that we've selected. And you can see that here, if I use the sliders for HSV, which stands for hue, saturation, and value, the hue repositions wheel, and the other two reposition the circle inside of the triangle. Over time, you're gonna get used to using that, and it's gonna become second nature. But when you first encounter it, it might confuse you a little bit. So watch out for the small little circle inside of the triangle. We also have other ways to adjust the colors, but once again, for this tutorial, I'm gonna stick to primarily the color wheel. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.